Okay, so you've learned about the course, what's in it, what's in the live day session, what extra videos you get. You've learned about the Strategy Factory Club. Now I'm going to drop a bombshell. How you can get the course for free. So I have a special program with TradeStation where if you sign up and fund a new TradeStation account, when you take my course, TradeStation will automatically give you commission rebates of 20% off the commission of each and every trade until the course is paid off. Now, depending on how much you trade, that may take a little while, but it doesn't expire and it'll keep going until the course is 100% paid off. And that's a pretty big deal. So I give you a code when you sign up. You go to the TradeStation website or call my TradeStation rep and tell him the code, and they'll get you all set up so you're automatically receiving it. And the way it works is the rebates will be applied once a month, usually like mid-month, and you'll get it in one lump sum as a credit on your statement. It's really powerful. A lot of students have taken advantage of it. I did this a number of years ago when I bought a trading computer. That company had a rebate program, and so I have firsthand knowledge. This program works, it works well, and once it's set up, it's pretty no nonsense and flawless. It just keeps giving you those 20% commissions until the course is paid off. So when you're thinking about the initial cost of this course, yeah, it's significant, and I don't want to dismiss that, but hey, if you're trading through TradeStation, which is the way most of my students trade, and the Strategy Factory Club's run in TradeStation, when you put all that together, opening a TradeStation account, getting the rebates, getting the course for free is a really good idea, and it's something to really consider.